What's up, FAVZ gang? So it is a chill morning. The babies are at school. I don't have to be at work until 2. Um, so I'm just chilling right now. It's not really nothing to do. The sister is out here watching her TV show. She chill. And I'm waiting on a phone case that I ordered. It's supposed to be delivered today. You what? Hungry? I got like 2 slices of pizza in there from that Hungry Howie's pizza that I had. You want a piece?
No, we only got 2.
You can eat a piece.
First thing I want to say is this. Either eating the sausage or that ain't gonna work for me. I ain't eat shit yesterday, for real.
I'm waiting on my phone case to come. It's supposed to come today. Yeah, I can put this on.
You gonna peel it too?
I'll see what I can do. My phone case is supposed to come today. Hopefully it come before I go to work because I would love to switch out the phone case that I got on right now. Take it off my phone. Put the new one on there. Hopefully I really like it. It looked like I was gonna like it when I ordered it. I don't know. We'll see. Get ready with my. I think I wanna like. Get ready with my. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's just funny. It's funny. I think I'm about to listen to my hair right there. Let me see something. Oh my God, there's too much stuff in there.
You just leave because your face so good.
Came out pretty good. I like using it to curl my hair. Now I gotta warm me up something to eat real quick before I go to work. Well, yeah. I don't put on my work clothes before I leave. There's always an after. You know, after I eat everything else. I still got like 2 slices left of this vegan pizza. 2 little slices. For me, Hungry Howie's has some of the best crust. I always get the Cajun crust because it's good. It's spicy. I don't know. I always love the Cajun crust. If you eat Hungry Howie's, then you know what I mean. If you get the Cajun crust, I think that's probably like the most popular crust at Hungry Howie's. Probably. I don't know. Probably, but that's the one I get. So the mail just ran. Let's see. Yep, it came. I got it. I got the goods. Yes. Let me see. This is yours. This is mine.
You're always giving me grief about helping out a few vegans when you've been doing vegan stir-fry. It was grief sex, and that's different.
I don't want to break. As long as I get it, what the hell is supposed to come right off?
So, out of curiosity, why did you send the in-car away today? It was a false alarm. It's protocol.
There you go. Officially switched out cases. See? Took this one off, put this one on. It's metal. It's an all over case. And it's gold. I like gold. It's pretty cute. So yeah, that's how it look. Okay. I gotta change my clothes now. You know, my work clothes. Let's do that. Boom. So, boom. Today turned from, I mean, it's still not a bad day. It's just that the fucking truck is acting stupid, bro. Like, this bitch didn't want to start. Then on my way to work, I literally got into the parking lot of work, and this bitch started acting like it wanted to cut off. And I just told my sister, like, fuck that, I'm going back home. Like, because I don't got time for this truck to be acting stupid. I get off at 10 o'clock at night. I don't feel like being stranded nowhere. So we came back to the house. We really think that it's just the battery giving out on us, because I had to jump start it when I left out for work. But right now we at the kids' school. It made it to the kids' school to pick them up. It's always something. Ain't it, sister?
I don't even got no words.
Like, so we gotta find out if it's just the battery. If it's just the battery, then we gotta buy a battery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we at AutoZone now to get the battery checked to see if it's the battery or something else, man. I don't know. We're gonna see. So he said it's gonna take about an hour to charge it. An hour or so.
You ain't got shit to do. That's a phone case.
Alright, well, okay. I'll go tell him that, charge it.
Okay.
Waiting
No picture.
in the parking lot. Just waiting. Nevaeh, why is you playing with my hair?
I thought you got a new phone, TT.
No.
Are you worried about them too? They got one guy.
Yeah. He said somebody else supposed to come up here like 3:15 though.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That breeze so nice. Kill that mom with her dog. Okay,
I can't. You stuck.
Yay!
My birthday tomorrow.
Nice.
She was so excited about her birthday being there.
My birthday tomorrow.
Be a blessing if I get some CP Friday.
My birthday tomorrow, y'all.
Why a chicken so funny?
Huh?
Because
So lame, man. So we still waiting. I think we trying to get the battery charged right now. It's been a hectic day. Get it charged. It's the trees.
No,
It's the trees over there. Is it in the car or outside the car?
it's on the person.
My jacket.
No.
Ain't nothing green on nobody.
Stewie?
That's not green.
That's not green.
That's blue.
No, this little.
That's a teal blue.
Oh, that. Okay, can I try again?
Yeah.
Okay, I spelled with my little eyes something. Something white.
Is it in the car or outside the car?
It's anywhere.
Is it in the car or outside the car?
It's in the car and outside the car.
It can't be both, bro.
I mean, it's outside the car.
The writing on AutoZone.
No,
The paper on the door.
No.
The number.
no.
The writing on
No.
the can. On the camera.
No.
What is it then?
You see that little building right there? That's blue brick.
Gotcha. All right, go again.
Okay. I spelled with my little eye something like. I spelled with my little eye something. Let's see. What can I spell with? I can spell with my eye something yellow.
The writing, is it in the car, out the car?
Out the car.
The writing right here that say rank.
Nope.
It's so cold
That pole over there by that house.
in my mouth.
Right here on this wall.
Nope.
You don't see nothing yellow, bro.
Yes, I
That
do.
battery that say
No,
doorbell.
no.
Keep me on.
You want me to tell you?
No,
Remember, keep me on.
that yellow right there in the window. Connie, you don't really see nothing yellow.
Yes, I do.
I'm naming everything yellow. All the parts over there.
Oh.
It's not the codes and stuff again over there that your mama saw.
Is it that yellow stick over there?
I said there's yellow on the door right here.
No.
It ain't nothing else yellow.
Titi, the tree thingy over there is yellow.
What tree?
The leaf that's yellow on the thing.
Okay, so we back at the house from AutoZone. Literally just got out from AutoZone to get the battery charged. So we completely think it's the battery. At least that's what the guy said. I think that's what he really think it is. So we got to go back up there at 6 o'clock, get a new battery. Oh my goodness gracious. It's just, it's always something. But you know what? We're not going to let this get us down. We're not going to let it fool our energy. We figure it out. We faves. We figure it out. We at home. The sister finna cook some spaghetti.
And after that.
You gonna help her cook? Oh, look at that. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Yeah. That's really good. Yeah, I hear you. The sister in Jane's spaghetti actually turned out to be good. You did a good job, Jane. That's his first time really cooking. He had the help of his mom, but he still did a good job. We're gonna have to test those skills in the kitchen. But it's good though so far.
Don't be asking me, you make no chicken.
Back at AutoZone to get the battery. It's been a long day. It's been a long day, y'all. So long.
Nice.
But we get this battery, go back home. Hasn't it been a long day, sis? It's been so long. We got the battery!
Now I was gonna let you do it because he like
Girl, bye. He hit us with a deal, y'all. Thank that man. He hit us with a deal. Now he back out. Shut up. Here go your, oh, this my keys. Yes! Mwah! Mama, you ain't no good. Who left the door open? We got the battery. We got the battery. Girl, okay, before you kick me in my face. Yeah. Anyway.
Wasn't gonna do nothing. Said wasn't gonna do nothing. Nah. We
Finally can relax now. Everything is done. We in the house for the night. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later, FAVZ gang.